Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of neural networks to understand how they learn. These technologies may seem almost magical, but behind the scenes, there's a lot of mathematics and programming involved. So buckle up, and let's start this exciting journey. Let's begin with the basics: supervised and unsupervised learning. Imagine a school classroom. In supervised learning, there is a strict but kind teacher who points out where you went wrong and helps you find the right path. In the world of neural networks, this process is called supervised learning. We provide the network with lots of data, already labeled with the correct answers, and it learns to recognize patterns. For example, to teach a network to recognize cats in pictures, we show it thousands of photos with and without cats. Over time, it learns to distinguish whiskers and ears so well that it can recognize a cat even in a picture with your cousin. But here's the question: can a machine truly understand what a cat is, or is it just very good at memorizing images? This reminds us of how we recognize a familiar melody without knowing the lyrics. Perhaps one day neural networks will start writing their own poems about cats, but for now, they are just recognizing patterns. Now let's move on to unsupervised learning. It's like sending a student into a library without guidance and letting them figure out which books they like. In this approach, neural networks are given unlabeled data and must find patterns on their own. It's like putting together a puzzle without the picture on the box or sorting a pile of Lego bricks without knowing what you're building. In unsupervised learning, neural networks independently find structures in data by grouping similar elements. For example, such a network can help marketers determine which customers are more likely to buy candy bars and sodas together. It's like your order-loving brain deciding it's time to reorganize the sock drawer. Now that we've covered the types of learning, let's take a look at the learning process itself. It all starts with data. It's the fuel for any neural network. Data flows through layers of artificial neurons, each one transforming it slightly. The beauty of neural networks lies in this process. They learn and adapt with each new set of data. The main mechanism of learning is called backpropagation. It's like having a personal trainer constantly reminding you when you're a little off track and helping you get back on course. With each iteration, the network makes fewer mistakes by continuously adjusting its internal parameters. It's reminiscent of how we learn not to burn ourselves on a hot kettle. Once burned, you're more cautious next time. But what is the role of data and algorithms in learning? Data is the lifeblood of neural networks. The more diverse and plentiful the data, the smarter the network becomes. It's as if your brain prefers reading books over watching reality TV. Algorithms, on the other hand, are the chefs who create the perfect recipe for transforming data into knowledge. The right algorithm can make the difference between a network that barely distinguishes a cat from a dog and one that writes philosophical treatises. So, what can we take away from all this? Neural networks are already changing our world, integrating into all aspects of our lives, and raising questions about the nature of intelligence and consciousness. Who knows where this exciting journey will take us? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the world of artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new releases. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think machines will ever truly be able to think? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode, where we might just teach your toaster to cook breakfast.